me shall say free solo way. Bra solo. Me say ora na sem no de wa ka.
Okay.
Minimara near the maybe say kosen. Na fe wo de Gihok de no so atwa so. Is it no what center of Gihok in the ICU?
Also book of Fanaba back onyare oboa onyare go na no edin papa
obi oda ICU there so owo de nkwankwa nta
oni wu ni nkwa go no book of no hospital
David say be pressure go be jumo no na he ala de nim ka tell wa bodam
Tero si bi di ala go be juma.
Okay.
And just a Martin Sammy be no work in the days leading to 2024 elections, you know, because no baby I said it was be anya born home. A friend is 2 minutes sir.
Okay.
You bet me see. Okay, I new catch oh no NGO TV say Alan Abodam or Ojana General Baka.
Hey, that's part of NDP.
Yeah. Me can send video number.
Kofi
Juma na catch you sir. It's just that time no pressure done so no. Because that competition boga.
Debbie interpretation.
We no so me man Jesus kruma. Ta no ko kiemi omonyo ko gu no basa. E kruma udi nse mura ni arodo. Wazi wa no record in management in sentia. Ye ko tam no go see Gihok. Aye ne basa japade wo mo se what on no basa wo ko no asa tam gas
e de ko
ibiam go busiafo no mu twi se mu mu o man ade ya na kontani Akufo Addo ti de mu pena mo ye okroma
nya na se
de Akufo Addo ti de mu pena mo ye amemo fu tantan de de fam ti ya twen sa afrewa all of a sudden officer da ICU ye bom pa ese honto no many Akufo no a said them Akufo ayo mo trick ena no omufa Ken Ofori Atta me kwa akọhwa ade o mayo clinic e oboa okọchele wa America okoye oso okodio omabio ena no Wontumi ono se fa oso yare ena no ba ku yo ka hu ono so sa chese ade ne ya beye ba ni nyina mu no e wo se omoye ne ntem na omu nyina akugina se ni wia ifise sem na ye ka no he hodi de si wo ankasa no na no ahye me no so bo a me de bossa ban ni se ye di 30 months kura afina wo musa nsem we bi ye ba na o seka ye wo middle of the cases ko fie de bia no for 40,000 wa ja se the Ghana ye de amamu wa campaign o wi anu abejira ba bia no wa to bomb no wa cancel ma ono no kokuso a ne boso asemache asif zo mo na de begu Ghana ha ana o mo bo ye to ha and we aba say no mo mo se chere wa sa ba we mu a mo na mo ni we businessman no fa chere no ma fa na mo very bonata na mo ta no bonata ma be on his feet onyana djuma isa se ye ya che kom ni kwada na na ye a ye timbo kromu a ye hu ya brabo anu ni nyina na ye ngofo bi na deliberately oma mortgage o man no eji ba sika o se di ye adwuma me nyina ho toy sa ta mo na o ye sa ogi o ko eji o gwetes te bia no mo bobina te bia no musu as you see manage company
ye ntwa omuka as you see manage company jiro me nim say we na wakoshe no ICU no de be ya akopemta obenya bill onya bill a de koto ho na ho beto no no ofi opia Akufo no the moment ma start chin say mo man bill no immediately me say mo case no mo ya ye mo fa kokoto tem abrani mo ko ni na ba ku die hanan de na akosi say yeah na anu mete so ma kokot
omonya ni ntem enko
ono so di kokot
wono so di kokot
omo fizi ni access ni na yi
yeah
ekromu apa na ekromu no uwe nyafo bi a 4 years o benya omo tam omo sa so di menzem a bi ko ye nim ye ho
the last of ko aka jam say hanan no onenam tama na ye beto aba no number first talk was on no nejo mama ne share wo
can you imagine
your mama can never be president
no ma be go we na no
can say hunu
ese ntira na Wontumi cancer hunu sa media idea friend accountability because you see ya nyina ye piato anopa e ba yi wo ko ba wani hanto ahomache wo sore betena nyina ya toto
ya beto
ya tinies ye de mamo onye bi wadwin mu dosin yo anase mo ho na efesin ye anase eya dum keke bi e bi asomoso edi ye de mamo se mo fa hedi nyina ye ho nto ye na okodi a you don't expect because party bi enu wa the constitution e kire se okwa akofo man ni sika ana akofo no so yes all party for nyina le koye dey e ko cheye ana on gba le ko cheye o se run about the party members no we on go akofo do obusa for na se yes ye hwehwe won nsemu a ana no so be am timbe bi kwahwe apa be obenya wo mo so a party for ade bi ase dwuma no munio no mu die chi no mu kokot ni eto mu nyina o mo na so na o mo mfanko ora no in person ni be bebre wo a akikem oko tema maritime hon musia former si we duma odi nyira na omonyo osemotwe bem oje all Africa games 2010 all Africa games 13th edition rather on Mampeni November last year and okase yenyo auditors no okase by the middle of December no report no beba me no okase report no mai. And also some of Africa games. I don't go to watch $15 million. Oh, man, no, can't say Bolivian. Hey, that would get Yavana. They see Afenyo as a cables. Oh, Madame and Quanta. ECG one more, Kennedy Agyapong, Dubik, young man, no call breast or so in your position. All Gyamfi ECG, yeah, to us was a guy. Position I will call lobby, you know, bush of one when him for Yako Pacho, yet my young man was done at the Ufriho, yet a set to a 68 billion Canada. Yes, BDS, I don't ever, or say, Omuyanem, or so dear, Kweku Annan, Ken Ofori Atta, you between Afenyo, also my fire. Ejora ne de mo bia na da Ghana for say ya ase de enye boni bi ngofo anye boni na kan o kan bi look 52 billion yes move with your account from Ghana Commercial Bank the account bi ma ye hu etimu tumi ni echire e 60 billion or Bank of Ghana ya chesika no
en akam refi mo fa nche me be hwe Bank of Ghana de no kakra
of course so yes e to ra de sabai di diagro e do be diagro e say boys na wo street ni so no omo kai pa omo num so se di on sika enya mo na mo de asa enamfo sem ye ye enamfo ye e bi e busuafo but ade ni nya na nye e dimi ma se o man sika o se ya kwan nyina enam so nye enso to aye felipa ipe nyamwa e de obi gina street so no aton ice water ka ba no chesi at the risk
nsi to no
omunamu sango nyina e chiato na o chiato no wia no ba fa wia se because say politics nti no o ye manfa what are we talking about they say Ministry of Works and Housing attach abeka chere say obi for the signature bi o ho no ni yi ba na sango nyina ni
run o down
ya ka chere ye aban ebibi aban ka chere say ana say agboja ka chere na no ya say abro mu take over no e ka that road ministry quite 40 billion e ka be dey okum anwa e di 40 billion and no finance minister be ka chere say enye na road receive for mu a en kan go for ye bukaka si aduma o mu nye san go for e di o mu ni what me o say go mu go ye bukaka we dey am charge ye in company name in accountant ye kwa kutu mu e wo trend ye and na man go for bufu no me bonjo so because esa no a enya politicians to na mo awo ka asem na obi ase munyina asa
mo ye pe
enso no sa dwene na we go for te bia de wo mo UAE tirim Japan tirim China tirim America tirim Europe tirim wa o mo tumi di o mo sika kaka na yo mo o mani ya ene abayo bi to South Africa no wo ka te mo kom krom esa so fi say ye ya sansafo ani no se basa e dimu dimi nye bibia ba de bugo do kutu amene yesi oyi a wo start tua David je ka brada mreni wono ara obru mra so ana obru so na de kuba no me ayi o ma investigate do mama o as you ref
Airbus
di get on talk ya say enti se ya anye ni saa o man no afi obi aba di ope because the politician ba no be dida ye mfa no a eno tira o ti auditor general public accounts committee a no obi abota spectacle abetno ewie scan say ewie say but next time be you sorry I thank you wakoda owie sika no abota aba be catch onye na ebi wakoda eno ni o man ya wutim enti se ya ma ye ni amre meburu na especially because mo da achi na ekono o abranja wesi so onyanya ema obai bi ware unyanya edan kro ntumi hai bi o su sika de ya ma obi di na o sori ala sa ko dira na chi honorable obi wi out of honorable di honorable de me bonu so
en kwase dia wo pe
wo se kwa na omunim so omunim pa say all the sectors of the economy omujaye no enyo man kuyi that the only reason one go for bi na mokro one say I say o minu ani madam for no ma fetchire na omo ne ndisi fo no njo ko tax obi kura no a na omo wo position be say ya adwan pa ya ebi fro ye go say ebi fro o tu say o person obeje adwan no by you see be the godfatherism ne dia that wa pani pa o tu say o senka o twene o man no hedi ni fie so a no after so on kai say you go rally be discovered by especially and so what eji sa na o say ye no na ye ni sa Ghana no e be kono
they va here gihok their course wo ho issues around it if we ache CEO ano Kofi ano ko managing director na CEO CEO eno aye da sori o so da CEO
na ma ko so da wode
wo so ka asamo
na mo de promo
amo so kasamo am say ya we can verify ya confirm
trust ma verify
yeah was verify some password da wa
I put you.
All right, I with you.
Yo, yeah, me that say. I'm in chair here for. I'm in chair. I show for. I'm in chair on solo production team. I'm in chair so. Oboy Juma. Unim. Somehow Ghana has say. And sometimes you know. And that's sorry. Come me me person come and them better be sorry. No matter some good news to be a be mami. Me ho Kenya me kakra obeda be sorry nsema betini bibia ebu abem ebu widiem aso twin ho nti ase I don't get it see unim sa oral nsem ya yeken
yeah
I've always said and maintained say President John Dramani Mahama memo we won if oral fails enye say NDC pen na e ba be feeling waka say oh, NDC are managing Nyamayi Naka Janisa. Our democracy itself, no, will crash because it means that trust Ghana for GDA munya politician muno die. Let us say ebe kokra because unim say according to say President John Dramani Mahama memo you know last straw for Ghanaians say this year no yaba say you solve it because as for chronosome ni am course no die. And when you know you who be every day. Yeah, almost a coffee you must have na bani account. There's one state institution bakwa ya drink kohon me a bottle glass. Me kano. Wouldn't say omo catch the chrome for say ye ba be rehabilitation.
Yeah.
You be renovate place no.
Oh, video no kra. Oko no.
Amu ye no. Kromo for no any GSA. And you know there yan say. And you say omu pona omu da so da ye bi no mo ye you. Kwame nkroma su ehunu ade a wa ye e de ato ho no.
Yeah.
Omu koda da kromo for no so ye rehabilitate. Unum say almost scrapping the entire factory no. And na okwa na to roof kakra. Okwa na to we kakra. No mukoton ni nyina ma scrap dealers. A bosso glass factory ga na ni onyam no ade e de ye no say Ube say.
Video. My video where 2019.
2019.
Or co-inspections. I know co-inspections.
Yes. And who him say, Cecilia, value for money and even amount of you're scrapping Yamana your tone no. Up to today, you're to mean
Debbie.
How much?
Debbie.
But you to count to me any year, Janice. If you can't fix it, because come up on a such as say, Yadia, say Kayede, and Yamaka Krabi Shemupa, Nakabesa, because Omama live with the system now, knowing how it works, I operate. It's in a Yadia, you giddy bia. Nashe, Adewi. Chedoma ye. And I'd say, Omuba no, I'd say, Omuba say, ye baby, I don't Kofi Juma same way, send us to look at say. And long overdue, I shadow, and that 2 years, I dance here, Kofi Juma.
Yeah.
Who say, workers senior, crowd protesting, and then Akufo Addo demonstration against him. In some brave tuja about Kofi Juma. Meanwhile, we are taking it seriously. The air is a one moment about tuja ni mumuno. Yes, also terminate your money na appointments. No. Nothing.
Bagana pa.
What's that?
Who's there? Oh, Genesis G90 car. Kesiye we you. Yekoya evaluation 99,000 Ghana cedis. Uni mayo tono 99 Ghana cedis. And no crowd evaluation that just say ya sanso crowd. Just so crowd. They say akofa and na yesa akofa wa akofa for bad ehihemu a. Ono mo si okodi e. Ye be say. Ye dey chew. And they kodi 99,000. Uni ska otua e. Otua 4,900. 4,943 Ghana cedis no dey saka no. There you say. Uni say
I give up.
Your state properties. Na under he give up lands buildings any na nyina oton yes oton omoton ni nyina more than $700,000 and this is can you show give up footwo mu a you see you declare that you ton be the settle that near you that omo create tio that omo create omo withdraw sika say overdraft no omo transfer koton a no masanso de akwakushe no masanso yi sa boni we no kwabrani mu disade we nyina na covid juma so yare na last week enyo no na no ma untumi fans on no na mo a o peja ne sa chema wa no na yesi o ye njan media me when it comes to kestashisha ne proye adwia e se osimasi trimu a odidi sa boni no a wanji onu ane health ho one G on one apom di odidi sa boni no it's the same way they say treating na yes say hwe ne boni yes say hwe ne yare any tell ya the disposition take because Ken Ofori Atta for instance at the time see the obi anu o Ghana no nim say Ken Ofori Atta yare
ne manji
the new ahun say ontumi nante ontumi nkasa. Even to the sense and events in Crampo in the first for almost 3 to 4 days because at every point Biano as I say I call the sludging the catheter. Yes, ya catch and say, oh, Papa, oh, yeah, the inti. It's got chonka class Ghana for ye and ma. Mima inti, on to me abandoning. And a papa engineer said, or that's Nasiano, or the share your name. Titi na papa ya depose awie ye ni wasem wo de open wa benchen obi and wa wi a na wo sa so yusu wo yare na wo de di ye bone no say no ne excuse enu no de ye ntwe wo yare ami sa tricks na all of a sudden obi a di ni bone wi ni anya chi na pe na police hospital akwakoye ni yi cheme ho oba ko ni akwa executive ward give your worry e di ni bone wi ye pano asem we me na me ba out say imagine say okwabrani ohu say nsem no be kono a na ono a say do na adwimu ka no oso anya mental problem kakra bi we call police hospital no da ho na give your worry and kwa say friend court na adwimu ka me ntia pro me say Yakoto about August, GF koto about August. Na dream kano. No aka contest election. No we ni. Ya to about we asena ye na kana sasa bio. No aka kotra police hospital executive ward. Even necessary doctors now no crowd have their no crowd because somebody might will treat you for. Meanwhile, your patient in the bed now and never come down. Why Jackie and the internet I see honum and I am ready tea near on there and not to order more or better hold that time and I do no Dr. Yabua. Dr. Yabua no or facilitate sana manina. No omuko eni no oma ya sanya ma wom na trekis nyama kwa and you ask yourself
Ghana
media me kasa obi adi emboni yenya na ye nehu mobro because yare abahwe in 1964 2nd January Kwame Nkrumah ya attempted coup on his life. Now him say coup ni siwie ye no ye cheche ye investigation ye cheche nkrofo no one personality ye grabe no JB Dankwa. Ya grabbing no evidence chere say on his table no prepare the speech after assassination no Kwame Nkrumah clear we are about deliver the speech to take over the country. Now look at this mindset. After the chine kotu mu wie ya nyame amfafie no ewu a you say ebusiafo koko apa say Kwame Nkrumah detaining for under preventive detention act e man prof ewu e ebusiafo to today they can't forgive Kwame Nkrumah yet onu na ke ya ba assassinate na ye be kunu age ne craft ni sem ne die onu mom na ye chastising ne eja abonefo no how did it happen say and then my homophobia on church on Facebook said the way they are handling covid human is too harsh and na omunya botrema no abotrema ni enyama ya me see so wonim say wo hasisi o tantala ye wo ya so wonim say obibi ye wo ya wo ya de bia esasa de no kwa no e kai wo na say wo ye nipa uskaro ne no nipa papa sem na wo di uboni achia di diboni wi a na wo be remind ye say wo ye yale bo onyale media me se papa nya hwe a boni nya hwe utumi kata wani endi mi boni na every day ye tani wi a see o eno no de mistake bi na mi wa na mistake anipa na akose no enya de a ebetumi akase ye go back akọ changing the hands of time no akose damage papa we dey akose workers
Kwaku Company
unim serve the workers ko aduma omutumi omo salary simba omo allowance sim omo hwimba mi wa sika de ni wonu no ko a wakọ clear na wakọ gi ni 40,000 no ko fie ama to the states accountant ne kwa ebe ye alarmed e chiro won plata say no dade na ikọ no papa na de no ye catch and say shut up manem mediska and all these things have happened na music be dey go fijuma so da ho so na ho mi ni ehumobro bia say na mi ni ehumobro ma Ken Ofori Atta see when it comes to NDC crime no MPP bonne o my Ghana ene niama ankoyi under the SWA government see MPP as a political party must cease to exist
true
until say omwakasa befa Ken Ofori Atta edinaba amaya press conference akachire US aban say omwakasa support say Ken Ofori Atta must come otherwise the party MPP must cease to exist otherwise how do we try to decouple Ken Ofori Atta from the MPP to make it look like Ken Ofori Atta as an individual they did in the body na we dey ono wonka all this coffee juma mun semu a otiti scanner ye bodi na kesa nyina no eye collaboration o Ken Ofori Atta mu Ministry of Finance mu nyina sa kokore mu inti abani say na MPP for person mu chese omu de omu ye holier inti omu ye holier no omu de omu betuma criticize bibia be Ken Ofori Atta no oyo mu nipa no de ono asem de MPP NDC then criticize
Ajimamenu
na so no nya no kura ko gya do ma say o mo si ma wieska say o mo buy o mo prosecute
Ajimamenu to be kasa oh my goodness
I think 1 week later and o mo friend wo yoko say Sputnik view say one was I don't know how far that yeah he said it he's on tape
it's not on tape
video no lie I say almost my wieska so be sister say on ba be mo bi anfrem he said it
oh my ya break
enti on there come on say man
What?
No, video.
The video is there.
Oh, I see.
There is a mobile show YouTube Benyama is here.
Oh,
now the woman solo.
My sister know me who are you man?
Yes.
Put the V.
I'm not saying that you move.
Now. You're not thinking straight.
Aha.
You're there from the zone of Munava. Ever.
But so that you move now, no, no, taking decisions. I
move part to say, yes, you. I see you, Kolibu. The last 2-3 months, maybe I was almost the best name. Every year, go feed you my fire by Moses Crabedum. That is a more crowd start investigating. Then I'm more best we are more than 2 for that situation. Some politicians, Robert Corner, no matter more. And yes, you never call ICU and they must open for us to see. Yeah, you're going. Madame will be a no objector, so I don't get what you scamano. The tiaras, I did here as a trust by verified. My men go ahead, Kolibu has said, as soon as see and Poyaria. The coin not Oyare, a old Kolibu ampa. That Johnny said one movie. What else I know? It's over here.
So last about in 2009, there was a trust, but verified. What did you say? I think the last week I make us ask him we were saying. A brand TV near publishing newspaper review. Get the name to paper and the name to Ghana Times and him say, "We're engaging in fraud with Bima. You the Napa cartoons at home." A brand TV show knows I'm not going to chill. Only me boy. Me jina bunsa so me hu say o twi ne se e o fom ho no na me se no na mo asem na say bo see akwida e no nim ye display no newspaper ni mu a okita laptop say e na police for judge and chain and say incriminating as say ya chima no mo dance how sorry no na me am see mu pampan call police headquarters say me bebe me tiasi abante na mo so dance how me ne me hu no ana mo ye sure say ye mistake. But one my mama transfer best 30 minutes to 1 hour. We say papa be fee. Dan be more by see o ICD for penny for no buy. Obi say me say me din this thing. No obi say me say me interest pound was 7 million. So me interest be am ye Ghana ni but ya dey way na me ho. All my sata so me so kakra dey sato me come say ya say abante onim we nya nkola asem. Me you me to me we nya asem bia. Manda so eda me call Ghanaian Times. That time na Madam Tina na say see no in charge that managing director say bibi. Me could follow up say a story no ni portray ni din was here not know you know. Eko wi echi you know. Between the court reporter, the prosecutor and the guy no na bibi akoso. But then I listen na nya share. It will be no and the publishing here. Before business gone bad. The publishing here. So this example is to say sometimes here this is some over call on any panel. Ya prepare baby amano. Me sympathy say yes you be the 70 obi di 80 another wheelchair mumu piano munya botrema no mu so ni mu a we are respecting the age but not the character
na age no wan you know say na ejirima oba be no ye bebre na wa ba be face ka Husni Mubarak no ye Egyptian president ono what the wheelchair na on the cell ye prosecute Pinochet ye prosecute age no ye kuma no constitution be you know just wait 90 years no be we wa okra mo afere so be talk we so be afere so you be deal with this you and say mura COVID market o goma na be so the oba be ye na yes go you anu say you be kire so ye be na kakra ye flow you ko kitwa bia
akosi empada so
ye mo ya mempa ye emfa o mani
o na de o
dabi
na me kase
o bi o mo di bone eswa administration ni mu nyira mo betena se di china che papa o bi no o ye ni mu nyira be wi until answer ye nyira ye be frata so a ye firi so I was so more investigative. Not your best ram. One, more dear, but 2 more visa, more dear, say, more Buama or more face can move on corner. Ye deliberate a bamboo here. As I said, more yay, man, both one number one. And you play the barber statue.
all of a sudden I mean just here your story na near then last time I said when Beka was say John Jinapo press conference obey yi waba ni nyina you see missing containers you see no ye dey fine ya ti ase obey press conference ni ba na baby sa o say it's missing containers now. What's the money retrieve? Baku 5,000 without the mention of a single name.
How to go retrieve?
How much retrieve?
How to go retrieve ever? Can't you prove that I'm a better? Who go retrieve you?
Or retrieve one or retrieve from?
Mental stories, you retrieve. I come in here.
And we should not even the individuals. I just say you're here. And you're going to ban or would also. But your man, you're here. Ah, so now all your orders. Or you're going to be a boy.
Sana Dubik. I'm a no ne OBA interview. So transformer no crana. Omo sasa no any a toy.
Dubik no one.
I see some was a container yera. Nina ka ho bi.
My goodness. That's wonderful.
Na someone chero.
That's one of
I see some container yera. Transformer na mo sasa no. Nina bia.
What say ECG? Young man, I did ECG shows. What could say basa? No more. I'm a cat.
And now when you know why.
Actually, my heart. And you know because there or her account more. I am minimum to. And not to be your pet. I don't know catch it. Either than that. That time will contain a bay. I've never because I agree.
Aye, I'm a castle on the class boy. I'm my ancient.
Yeah, they are Afenyo Kase. They are more, you know, who has a double salary as you and to want to move. That's Momoye, yes,
that's my back.
We are here, little man. We, yes, you walk, yet Mokos who are cushioning answer, say, one from better man, I didn't mean. And yet,
I joined the book.
Oh, quadrine.
And yet, so, some way, they had divine canoe. Sab buying we are yet or on who do and go for a brave for politicians.
Sure, that one is true.
It's okay, may say it is 2024 no. The Wesley go police station, never go monitoring. And before we do say one most attention.
Attention or
would you go be a county? Now, your moon someone is CCH. Money or the one day better for so politicians move your head here, the better for so.
Baby, back also an attention what prior me constituency, Domi Kwabena. Yeah, no. Domi Kwabena is a strong word for the NPP. Yeah, Mr. 3 days, name me marry. Aha. Yeah, Gina Coalition Center because first night and a dear young woman, you can't say no, before you grow home. Yes, you know, come baby. What about some of the ballot boss to be free baby back near my boy says, sure, near J.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.